So this is the 7 of me reprogramming my subconscious mind. And after I did everything that I said I'm going to do, like after I did everything I'm going to do to reprogram my mind for the day, I realized something uncomfortable. Sometimes the thing stopping us from doing the things we want to do isn't just our habits. It's the person we've convinced ourselves to be. Now, if you're the kind of person that believe shy, lazy, inconsistent, I always give up, changing your habit and your behavior means challenging that identity. So for the past 7 days, I've been paying close and more attention to how my mind works, my thoughts, and the things I do automatically. And then I started questioning one thing, my identity. I started questioning, who do I believe I am? Because I realized that we don't just have habits, we have stories, right? Stories like, I'm not disciplined, I'm a procrastinator, I never finish things, this is just who I am, I'm not just good at this, all these stories. And the interesting part about it is that once you believe something about yourself, you start looking for evidence to prove it. Because this thing has actually happened to me, right? Before I started all these things, when I really tell myself that I'm waiting for the right time, I'm trying to re-strategize, I'm just setting up. When I watch videos that they tell me that you are still young, you have time, don't pressure yourself, I used to tell myself that, can't you see? Just calm down. Once you believe that you are lazy, the moment you procrastinate, something inside of you tells you that they are not telling you that you are lazy. But you might actually forget all the time that you actually worked hard and only remember that time that prove that you are lazy. These things do happen to me, and then I repeat the behavior, and the behavior reinforces the belief, and the belief reinforces the behavior. It just goes on like that. It's just like a loop. I believe something about myself, I act according to that belief, and then I use my behavior as evidence that belief is true. I'm not trying to sound like a YouTube guru or someone that has all the answers. I'm just sharing what I realize and what I know. And I think that's one thing I've been trying to understand during this journey. Maybe changing yourself isn't just about trying to act differently, but to stop automatically identifying yourself with the old pattern. For instance, instead of me saying I'm lazy, right, I could just say I've been procrastinating. These two statements sound similar, but they're actually different. I'm lazy describe who you are, but I've been procrastinating is describing what you've been doing lately. And something that you've been doing, it can be changed. But when you say I'm lazy, you are defining who you are. It's going to take a long time to be changed. That's something I'm trying to remember. I don't have to keep turning my past behavior into my identity. Just because I've been inconsistent doesn't mean I'm an inconsistent person, right? Just because I've been procrastinating doesn't mean I'm a procrastinator. Just because I've failed sometimes doesn't mean I won't be successful. And I'm starting to realize that sometimes we don't need a completely new, different person. We just need a new relationship with the person we've believed ourselves to be. And I think this is going to be the hardest part about this journey, because changing your behavior is one thing and changing the way you see yourself is another thing. Oh God. So I've been paying attention to the labels I give myself, and I've been asking myself, is this actually who I am, or is this someone and something I've been practiced being? That's something I'm going to keep thinking about. So this is about day 7. This is what I realized in day 7. And yes, I'm going to be sharing the things I've been doing to program my subconscious mind in some videos. I think in day 10, or I don't know, but I'm going to share it. So maybe the biggest thing I'm learning is that I don't have to be loyal to an old version of myself. I can acknowledge who I've been without deciding that is who I have to remain. So that is all for day 8. I mean, this is all for day 7. I would see you guys in day 8, and please do well to subscribe. I love you guys.